Hey guys, video game Brawlers here, Pearson here today, going boxing off a package delivery on eBay from Bakugan Legends. Sure, yeah, box. Oh, that box is come from too. Alright, let's open up here. Open the box. Cool. Oh, boxes. This is it. It's what's in there? Oh, the box is empty. Here it's Aurelius Hanoj. All right, there we go. All right, so here we are. Finally got it. This is a Bakugan Legends Nova Bakugan. It's Aurelius Hanoj. All right, the back here. So cool, amazing. All right, okay, let's get open up here and close a little fun. Okay, so here is one Bakugan Nova Bakugan Hanoj. Here it is. Here's instructions. Here's instruction. This is so cool. Instructions. Nova Bakugan. Oh, cool. And then it's cool. There you go. That's amazing. Here's a one gate card is Nelius. Pyrus 100, 600, 100 for Pyrus, 600 for Aquas, Ventus 100 for Ventus, 100 for Chaos, 600 for Aurelius, and Darkus 100 for Darkus. Magnus, and a one gate card, one ability card, character card. It's Nova Hanoj Aurelius. All right, there we go. This is very amazing. This is a Hanoj. Very cool. That's all right. Let's get started for Bakugan Nova Bakugan Hanoj here. Okay, so here's Aurelius Nova Hanoj. All right, so here's our blush color and silver here, clear translucent. That's cool or amazing. All right, Nova Hanoj Aurelius Nova Hanoj is ready to roll. Ready? Oh, whoa! The lights go up. Okay, so here's our two arms. We have 4 legs, 2 wings, head gray, black, 2 orange eyes, and now here, and the 2 wings, and the lights here, and the tails here, cool. And there's 3, and the B power is 300 B power. It's fantastic, cool. That's so cool. Now my collection is very complete of Nova Bakugans from Bakugan Legends, cool. And then I don't have a one left to go. Is Nova Dragonoid and Nelius Bakufusion Nova here from Bakugan Legends. Fantastic. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. Click it to watch the video game Brawlers unboxing and Bakugan 2. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Click it to the bell. Click it to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok here. Okay, guys, thanks for watching it. Right, see you next time, everybody. Bye and Bakugan Brawl.